Hello my little stars, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today I will teach you a worksheet from fragrance, that is on page number 31. Now look at the board. Look the board. There are so many pictures on the board, right? Like apple, sun, pen, cake. So we have to tick the odd one in each group. We have to tick the odd one from each group. So look at the first picture. This is an apple. This is a banana. This is a, what is this? This is a cake. And this is a mango. So apple, banana and mango. These all three are fruits. Apple is a fruit, banana is a fruit, mango is also a fruit. But look, what is this? This is a cake. So cake is not a fruit, right? So the cake is odd one here. So I will tick the cake because this is the odd one here. Because apple, banana and mango are fruits. But cake is not a fruit, so cake is odd one here. Now look at the picture. What is this? Rose. And what is this? Sun. Look, the sun is smiling. Now what is this? This is a lotus. And what is this? Hibiscus. So, hibiscus, lotus and rose. These are flowers, right? Rose is a flower, lotus is a flower and hibiscus also is a flower. But sun is not a flower. So I will tick sun because sun is odd. The sun is odd one here. So I will tick sun. The sun is odd one here. Now look at this. What is this? This is a book. Pen. Now what is this? A candle, right? And look at this. What is this? This is a pencil. So pencil, pen and book. These three help us to study, right? These three help us to study. But a candle burns, right? So which one is odd? The candle is odd, so I will tick candle because the candle is odd one here. Right? Now, she's a girl. She's a girl and she is also a girl. But look at him. He's a boy. And who am I? I'm also a girl. So, she's a girl. She's a girl. She is also a girl, but he is not a girl, he is a boy. So I will tick the boy because he is the odd one here. Clear? So now you have to do a homework that is on page number 32 from fragrance. Clear? So stay safe, stay at home and bye bye.